Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post videos related with app and bank account and crypto and many more other stuff. So if you want to get updated of what type of video we post in the future, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. And let's move on with today's video, which is on how you guys can download OnlyFans on your iPhone. So there's no such thing as OnlyFans app because OnlyFans is only available in the website version. There is no app version of OnlyFans, but there is a way you can hack to create an OnlyFans app yourself, alright? So what am I saying right now? Well, watch the video until the end to know what this is. So basically for this, you need to go to your browser. So I'm using an iPhone, so I'm going to go to my iPhone browser and I'm going to search for onlyfans.com. So it's going to take me directly to the official website of OnlyFans. Once you're in the official website of OnlyFans, what you can do is click on this button which shows the arrow at the top. Once you click on it, scroll a bit down, scroll all the way down, and where it says add to home screen, you can click on this plus button over here and you can click on add at the top, and basically your OnlyFans has been added on your home screen. Now what is the advantage of this? Basically now you don't have to go to your browser and type OnlyFans, log in into your account every single time. You can just click on OnlyFans, it'll straight up take you to the official website of OnlyFans. And if you guys have already logged in into your account, your OnlyFans account will open up automatically. You don't have to do those extra steps again and again. It's basically like app, alright? As you guys can see, you can also see its logo over here. So this is the hack. And this is also available for Android. And Android, you don't have a, Safari browser because Safari is only available on iPhone. So what you need to do is go to your Google Chrome and then add it to your, home screen just like I did. The only thing is in iPhone, you have Safari. In Android, you have Google Chrome, alright? So yeah, hope you guys understand. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye, everybody.